In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how low manipulation helps your hair to grow long, like practically helps you to retain length. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're yet to do so, and also share this video. Now let's jump right into it. I've looked at a lot of YouTubers with long natural hair, and I found some few things in common, which I'm going to dwell on, the habit of low manipulation. Like, you don't see these people doing too much to their natural hair, and that is why their hair is thriving and growing longer by the day. There are many ways low manipulation can benefit your natural hair, but in today's video I just want to touch on two things that I found that is the most helpful, like is the most way that low manipulation will really impact in your hair growth. And I've seen that in these YouTubers that I've watched, and I've also seen that in my own hair care routine. And one of those ways is that it helps to reduce stress on your hair follicles. So when stress is reduced, of course, your hair is not going to be shedding unnecessarily, your hair is not going to be breaking unnecessarily, your hair is going to be intact. So I find in the previous years, while I do my hairstyling every week, I find that my hair is always limping, it's always packed with single strand knots. My hair felt so different. Like, it felt as if my hair was not growing, like I was tucked at a particular length, like that was how my hair is going to turn out. And my hair was not as full as I wanted it to be. Now, I know many of us will say thicker hair is genetics and stuff like that, but I'm telling you, I have done my research. I've seen a lot of natural hair YouTubers that have thicker hair, longer hair, and that is not how they started off. That is why you need to take pictures, take videos, and document these things so that you can actually track your growth process. So I recently had someone who has been following my routine and just watching my videos, and she sent me a short video of how her hair was before and how her hair is now, and the growth is massive. I didn't sell any product to her, so she did this on her own just by following the routine and following my videos, my instructions and all that. So this thing works. Low manipulation is the key to retaining length, to keeping your hair intact, to preventing breakage, to preventing split ends, single strand knots, and all the likes. Then the second thing that I feel low manipulation really helped me to do is to preserve my hair strands. It helped me to preserve my hair strands. I could have been having breakage, split ends, and all excessive shedding like I used to have in the past, but I have experienced less shedding. Each time I make the mistake of trying to style my hair every week like I used to, I always experience breakage. Like I said, the more your hands are on your hair, the more breakage you're going to get, the more shedding you're going to get. But low manipulation helps to preserve your growth cycle. So if your hair strand is supposed to survive maybe a couple of months before it sheds, is going to keep it that way. But if you're in the habit of always touching your hair, always doing one thing or the other with your hair every single time, then that hair that is supposed to stay for like 3 months before it sheds, it's going to shed immediately because you're putting so much stress on your hair follicle. So reducing stress, reducing shedding, that is what low manipulation can do to your natural hair. So I wanted to just make this video short. There are lots of examples that I could give you guys and a lot of pictures that I can show you, but I just want to keep it as short as possible. So probably I'll do more in my subsequent videos and share more with you guys, but I'm here to tell you, if you want to see aggressive length retention, then you have to stop over manipulating your hair. Allow your hair to grow naturally. it's going to grow. Now, this is in no way encouraging neglect. Of course, I'm not encouraging neglect. I'm only saying low manipulation as much as possible. Less is more. I am a testimony of that. I've tried everything. I've been a lot of try and error with my hair growth journey, but that is why I'm able to come out and say low manipulation is key. So that is all I have for you guys to get today. Thank you for watching. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. I'll see you guys. Catch ya. Bye.